They're doing all of the hard work everywhere it needs done in that very quiet, very humble way.
So I've been involved with Aki 20 years, I think, at least 15. And one of the things that we do is the Family Justice Center every month. I think we've all heard of that, where we staff the Family Justice Center. But Aki, I've been involved in panelists. What Aki does is invaluable to the Bay Area. And as Sherry said, every marginalized community will get service at Aki. Nobody is turned away. And it's not just the legal services that a lot of us have assisted with. It's health services, it's housing, it is everything. Anybody that needs anything that is from a marginalized community will be serviced by Aki. So I thank you guys very, very much for what you do for our community. And you deserve, it was a no-brainer for us. It was unanimous, and it was just immediate. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. My name is Rose. I'm the Client Advocacy Manager at Aki Asian Women's Home, and I oversee our Family Justice Center. And it's a pleasure to introduce Cindy Liu. She's one of our hardworking legal advocates. How long have you been with Aki?
Close to
20 years? Yeah, so Cindy has been helping clients in 2 languages for 20 years, complete restraining order paperwork, file the paperwork. She is not an attorney, she is an advocate. She's one of the hardest working people I have ever worked with, and it's really an honor to work with her every day. And this is Mira, Dr. Singh. She oversees our behavioral health department, and that is another huge part of Aki. You know, the legal system is stressful, and then they need someone to talk to, and so we work together quite often. And Mira wanted to share a bit about the other services we provide.
Thank you. What an honor. Thank you so much. Aki was founded in 1973 to address the needs of our Southeast Asian refugees whose needs weren't being met by the existing services. And as was said, today we serve the diverse community of Santa Clara County through our many programs. And our goal is to address the whole health needs of our community members. And so I oversee our behavioral health programs from infants all the way through older adults. We have our CalWorks Welfare to Work program. We have our Center for Survivors of Torture, where we serve asylees, asylum seekers, and refugees from all over the world. We've been serving Afghan and Ukrainian refugees. We also are an accredited training center for the next generation of culturally competent, trauma-informed providers. We're a federally qualified health center, so we've been providing primary care, COVID testing, vaccinations to our community's members, regardless of their ability to serve. We have our advocacy arm, so we're really supporting civic engagement and advocacy for whole health and health parity for all communities. And then, of course, our wellness programs and prevention programs for youth all the way through older adults. And that's where our domestic violence human trafficking programs are located. We do a lot of integrated services. We share staff. We share a counselor that's between our behavioral health programs and our domestic violence human trafficking programs. We share interns. We integrate with our health center. And it's all about our collaboration. We speak over 40 languages, which is really important. And the work that we do is so much about relationships, relationships with our community members and building that relationship of trust, relationships among providers to collaborate together, and relationships with folks like folks at the Bar Association and our legal partners to be able to build that web of support for our community members. So thank you so much for this honor. It's truly an honor to work with this team. They do amazing work. As you all know, we're in a mental health crisis right now, and the many needs of our community members are so important. And I think this team has done an amazing job serving our survivors, and they're there every day, going above and beyond. So it's an honor to be a part of this team, and thank you for this honor.
Well, that concludes our event. On behalf of the Santa Clara County Bar Foundation, I'd like to thank all of you for attending in spite of the Warriors game, and our sponsors. And just because we have this event to help fund our not only mock trial but BAMS camp. Am I BAMS camp? Thank you. I just want to let you know that you can still contribute. So it's all online. It's very easy to do. So I encourage everyone to continue providing their tax-free contributions to the Bar Foundation. Thank you.
Enjoy the rest of the evening. We're here until 8 o'clock. We have an open bar and plenty of food. So enjoy.
Where's my Uber?